Most people assume mechanics hate Mercedes because some models became extremely expensive and complicated after the warranty expired. But the truth is that certain Mercedes generations earned real respect inside independent repair shops for one simple reason: they were engineered to age properly. These are the models mechanics know can actually survive high mileage with predictable problems, strong drivetrains, and solid long-term durability when maintained correctly. In this video, we will rank 5 Mercedes models that mechanics genuinely respect and explain which versions are worth buying, and which ones should still be avoided if you want to keep ownership from becoming a financial mistake. Starting this list, we have the Mercedes-Benz C350 Coupe C204 from model years 2012 to 2015. And among mechanics familiar with modern Mercedes platforms, this car developed a reputation for being one of the brand's most balanced combinations of durability, simplicity, and everyday usability. The recommended configuration is the C350 Coupe, equipped with the naturally aspirated 3.5-liter V6 M276, paired with the 7G-tronic automatic transmission. Output sits around 302 horsepower, but the reason mechanics respect this car has very little to do with performance. What matters is that this generation arrived before Mercedes fully transitioned into smaller turbocharged engines and much more complicated hybrid-assisted drivetrains. The M276 V6 has proven to be one of Mercedes' more reliable modern engines when maintained correctly, with many examples surpassing 150,000 miles without major internal engine repairs. The platform itself is also relatively straightforward compared to newer luxury coupes overloaded with electronics and complex suspension systems. Common issues include oil leaks, worn engine mounts, and occasional electronic sensor failures, but most of these problems are already well documented and financially predictable. Before buying one, the inspection should focus on service history, transmission smoothness, suspension wear, and evidence of regular oil changes at realistic intervals instead of extended factory recommendations. And this is exactly why mechanics tend to respect the C350 Coupe. It still delivers the solid feel, refined driving experience, and engineering maturity people expect from a real Mercedes, while avoiding much of the complexity that made many newer luxury cars far more expensive and frustrating to own after the warranty expires. Moving one step higher on this list, we have the Mercedes-Benz E400 wagon S212 from model years 2014 to 2016. And this is exactly the kind of Mercedes many experienced mechanics quietly admire because it combines practicality, strong engineering, and surprisingly mature drivetrain development. The recommended configuration is the E400 wagon, equipped with the 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6, paired with the 7G-tronic automatic transmission. Output sits around 329 horsepower, but the reason this car earns respect has more to do with refinement and durability than outright speed. By these years, Mercedes had already refined much of the platform's electronics and drivetrain calibration, creating a far more stable ownership experience than many early turbocharged luxury cars. The E-Class chassis itself also developed a strong reputation for structural solidity and long-distance comfort, especially in wagon form. In real-world ownership, properly maintained E400 wagons have shown very strong reliability records for a modern turbocharged Mercedes, especially when oil services and cooling system maintenance are performed consistently. Common issues include aging air suspension components on rear self-leveling systems, minor oil leaks, and occasional electronic sensor failures. But most problems remain manageable and well understood by independent Mercedes specialists. Before buying one, the inspection should focus heavily on service history, turbocharger condition, suspension behavior, and transmission smoothness during low-speed driving. And this is exactly why mechanics tend to respect the E400 wagon. It still feels like a properly engineered Mercedes with strong highway stability, solid build quality, and mature drivetrain tuning while avoiding much of the excessive complexity that later luxury cars introduced. At the center of this list, we have the Mercedes-Benz GL450 X166 from model years 2013 to 2015. And while many buyers assume large luxury SUVs automatically become financial nightmares after the warranty expires, the X166 GL450 earned a surprising amount of respect among mechanics when maintained properly. The recommended configuration is the GL450, equipped with the 4.7-liter twin-turbo V8 paired with the 7G-tronic automatic transmission. Output sits around 362 horsepower. But what makes this SUV interesting is how solid and mature the platform feels compared to many newer full-size luxury SUVs. The drivetrain itself proved far more durable than many buyers expected, especially in examples that received consistent oil services and cooling system maintenance. In real-world ownership, properly maintained GL450 models are capable of very high mileage without catastrophic drivetrain failures, which is one of the main reasons mechanics tend to respect them despite the vehicle's complexity. Common issues still exist, including air suspension wear, oil leaks, and occasional turbo-related maintenance as mileage increases. Electronic accessories and comfort modules can also become expensive on neglected examples. But compared to many newer luxury SUVs, with even more integrated electronics and hybrid systems, the X166 still belongs to a relatively mature generation of Mercedes engineering. Before buying one, the inspection should focus heavily on suspension condition, cooling system history, turbocharger behavior, and complete maintenance records. And this is exactly why experienced mechanics often view the GL450 differently from the average buyer. Underneath the large luxury SUV image, it still delivers strong build quality, solid drivetrain engineering, and a level of mechanical maturity that makes long-term ownership far more realistic than most people assume. Moving into the safer end of this ranking, we have the Mercedes-Benz CLS 400C218 from model years 2015 to 2017. And this is one of the few modern Mercedes models that many mechanics respect, because it successfully balances luxury, performance, and long-term drivability without becoming excessively complicated. The recommended configuration is the CLS 400, equipped with the 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6 paired with the 7G-tronic automatic transmission. Output sits around 329 horsepower, but more importantly, this drivetrain arrived after Mercedes had already refined many of the reliability problems seen in earlier turbocharged generations. The C218 platform itself also benefits from strong chassis rigidity, mature electronics, and a driving experience that still feels distinctly Mercedes. Heavy, refined, and extremely stable at highway speeds. In real-world ownership, properly maintained CLS 400 models have shown surprisingly good durability for a modern luxury coupe sedan, especially compared to newer vehicles overloaded with hybrid systems and increasingly complex electronics. Common issues include oil leaks, suspension wear, and occasional electronic sensor failures, but most of these problems are manageable when caught early and serviced correctly. Before buying one, the inspection should focus heavily on maintenance history, suspension condition, cooling system service records, and smooth transmission operation during city driving. And this is exactly why many independent Mercedes mechanics respect the CLS 400. It still feels like a properly engineered luxury Mercedes while avoiding some of the extreme complexity and unpredictable repair costs that started appearing in later generations. At the top of this list, as one of the modern Mercedes models mechanics genuinely respect, we have the Mercedes-Benz S560 W222 from model years 2018 to 2020. And this is an important car because many mechanics consider it one of the few late-model S-Class generations that managed to combine flagship luxury with relatively mature engineering. The recommended configuration is the S560, equipped with the 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, paired with the 9G-tronic automatic transmission. Output sits around 463 horsepower, but what really matters here is refinement and drivetrain development. By these later W200 to 22 years, Mercedes had already corrected many of the reliability and electronic problems that affected earlier production models, creating a far more stable ownership experience. The cabin quality, chassis isolation, and overall engineering still represent the traditional Mercedes philosophy of building a car that feels expensive in every aspect, not just technologically impressive. In real-world ownership, properly maintained S560 models have shown surprisingly solid durability for a modern flagship luxury sedan, especially when maintenance is performed proactively instead of reactively. Common issues still include air suspension wear, electronic comfort system repairs, and occasional oil leaks as mileage increases. But most experienced Mercedes specialists already understand these systems well. Before buying one, the inspection should focus heavily on suspension behavior, complete electronic system scans, service history, and evidence of consistent maintenance from previous owners. And this is exactly why many mechanics respect the late W222 S560. It still delivers the solid, refined, over-engineered feeling people expect from a true flagship Mercedes, while avoiding some of the excessive experimental complexity that newer luxury cars increasingly rely on. When it comes to Mercedes, the models mechanics truly respect are usually not the flashiest or the most complicated. They are the cars that combine strong drivetrains, mature engineering, and predictable long-term ownership when properly maintained. The 5 Mercedes on this list earned respect because they proved they could age properly instead of becoming financial disasters the moment the warranty expired. None of them are cheap economy cars to maintain, but compared to many modern luxury vehicles overloaded with complexity, they offer a far more stable ownership experience. The key is always buying the correct years, avoiding neglected examples, and prioritizing maintenance history above everything else. Because in the Mercedes world, long-term reliability is rarely about luck. It is usually about choosing the right platform from the beginning.